Hello students, welcome to class. This is Brian Johnson. He's a multi-millionaire who is trying very hard not to die. How is he doing that? Well, he has the best doctors monitoring him every single day, all the time. What's interesting about Brian is that he is vegan. He is only eating vegan foods. But here in this video, he's showing you what the ingredients are for Chick-Fil-A. And he is telling people that it is very unhealthy, even though the marketing shows a halo around the top of their logo. Brian Johnson is reminding people not to fall for these things, not to believe the marketing. Don't get sidetracked. Don't get sucked in. He's telling you that every time you eat a burger like this, it's like smoking a cigarette. Now, you would never give that to your kid, and you know it's not good for you. So do not eat these processed foods. Do not eat meat. Do not eat dairy. Do not eat eggs. He eats only healthy vegan foods. Let's listen to what he says. Let me turn my volume up here so you guys can hear it.
How many ingredients are there in chicken? I think there's just one, chicken. How many ingredients does Chick-Fil-A have in their chicken? This many! I think there is a common misconception that Chick-fil-A, with their halo around their heads, is somehow a more healthy option. That is not true. It is.
He's absolutely right about this. And this is what I've been saying since my famous song where I sang in front of McDonald's. I've been telling you all not to eat there. These kinds of places do not care about animals. They don't care about your health. They will lie and say anything to try to get you to buy their products.
Equally as bad for you as other fast food places. Don't think you're coming here and getting like a better for you than situation. This meal is equal to smoking one cigarette. So when you pull up and you make your order, imagine pulling one out of the carton, lighting up, and you're smoking a cigarette. That's the damage you're doing to the body. So I just want to tell you that I don't trust anybody. The marketing doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what a company says. I'm gonna test this food, I'm gonna publish it. You need to see what you're eating, because once you see, maybe you're going to reconsider. So Chick-fil-A promises you a holy meal when really...
All right, so tell me guys, what do you think about this? Does this make you think that maybe you should eat healthier? Does it maybe make you consider that you should not eat animal products? This guy is a multimillionaire, and he is doing all the research to find the best foods. Every day he eats some cauliflower or some broccoli. He eats a cruciferous vegetable. He also has healthy grains like chia seeds, flax seeds. I encourage you to follow him. Now, he's not a vegan for ethical reasons. He's a vegan because he knows it is good for your health. He knows it is excellent for him. Now, he does an hour of exercise every single day. He gets his blood pressure tested every single day. He gets his weight tested every day. He's kind of has an interesting story. If you're not yet following Brian Johnson, go ahead and check him out. You see how you write his name? It's Brian with the letter Y, Brian Johnson. I've been trying to communicate with Brian to get a hold of him, to remind him that whatever his routine is, whatever vitamins he takes, whatever minerals, any kinds of products that he takes, that they should be 100% vegan. Because it's not just important to not die, it's also important to not kill. So Brian, if by some chance you're hearing this, please make sure that all of the products that you promote and everything that you take in yourself is cruelty-free, because animals have a right to live just as we do. Whatever problems we have with our bodies are not their fault. One of the other interesting things that he does is he goes to sleep at the same time every single night. He makes sure that he tracks his sleep with a special kind of a watch that he has to make sure he's getting the proper dream cycles. And he has a very interesting outlook on life. He really wants to live for a long time. He used to be a Mormon. He used to be very religious and overweight. So he's not taking life for granted right now, which is something that you might want to think about doing too. You know, we only have one life. So why not do our best to stay as healthy as we can, but also to let the animals live? Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do so. Press the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. From now on, as often as I can, as soon as I post a video, I'm going to be in the comment section. So if you're trying to get a hold of me, now's the time. Right now, go and check the comments and see if I'm there. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher